Most people get this wrong when they search for survey apps that pay instantly. They download random apps, expect fast cash, and then get disappointed when payouts take days or never arrive. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not all instant pay apps are truly instant, and the difference is in payout rules, minimum thresholds, and verification systems. Quick promise for you. In this video, you will learn how survey apps actually pay in 2026, which types of apps offer the fastest real cash outs, what to avoid so you don't waste time, and how people like Alex or John consistently get paid without delays. Let's start with the basics. Survey apps work by connecting you to companies that need consumer opinions. You answer questions, complete profiles, and earn points. But here's the problem. Most apps don't send money immediately after every survey. Instead, they use a pending system until your answers are verified. Now let's talk about what instant cash really means. In most trusted apps, instant payout means you can withdraw as soon as you hit the minimum threshold. Not that money appears in your account the second you finish a survey. For example, a user like Jake might complete surveys in the evening and cash out the same day once he reaches the limit. One of the most popular categories in 2026 is PayPal-based survey apps. These are usually the fastest because PayPal transfers are automated. Once your account is verified, payouts can be processed within minutes to a few hours depending on traffic. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some apps also offer gift cards like Amazon or Google Play, and these are often even faster than cash transfers. Why? Because they don't require banking clearance. You redeem and receive a digital code almost instantly. But not all apps are equal. The biggest mistake users make is chasing extremely high payouts too quickly. If an app promises large money for very easy tasks, it often comes with strict verification delays or high withdrawal thresholds. Another important factor is task quality. Higher-paying surveys usually take longer and may screen you out halfway. So consistency matters more than speed. Someone like Alex, who completes multiple small surveys daily, will earn faster than someone waiting for big surveys that rarely appear. Now let's talk about safety. Always choose apps with transparent payout policies, visible user reviews, and clear minimum withdrawal limits. Avoid apps that hide payout rules until after sign-up. Here's a simple way to maximize real instant payouts. Focus on apps with low minimum thresholds, stick to PayPal or gift card options, and complete profile surveys first, because they unlock higher-paying tasks faster. In a minute, you will notice that most delays happen because profiles are incomplete or mismatched. So let's quickly summarize everything. Instant pay usually means fast eligibility for withdrawal, not automatic payment after every task. PayPal and gift cards are the fastest payout methods. And consistency in completing surveys matters more than chasing high-value offers. If you understand the system, you will avoid the frustration most beginners face and actually get steady, reliable payouts from survey apps in 2026. If this helped, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more real breakdowns like this.